Hi, Jeff Lundblad again with Family Legacy Estate Sale. Time to open another bin. Should be some exciting stuff in this. It's actually not a bin, it's a big box that came with this collection. Everything that you see that comes out of this box will be for sale on our website, www.familylegacyestatesale.com. And if you like these videos and other videos that we've posted regarding collectibles, subscribe to our YouTube channel or like us on Facebook. Let's jump right in. See what we've got in here. We have a 1/50th scale plastic Soyuz launch vehicle and transporter model. Very cool. That's obviously the Russian equivalent to our Saturn V rockets, the Soyuz. So, very neat. What else have we got in here? Hard to reach. It's a tall box. We've got another model kit. Looks like a Gundam armor suit, GP03S. I'm sure it's never been touched, and it has not. Absolutely pristine. So that is a very nice item for somebody. What else do we have in here? Looks like we have another Gundam model, master grade, MSA 003 Nemu suit. Okay, very nice item. Oh, we got, looks like a lot of Gundam stuff. PMX 003, the O. Again, it's factory sealed. It's got the original band around it. And we have AMX 004 Quubly. Another model kit. Double check, make sure it's not been touched. And it has not. Some model collector or model aficionado is going to have some good stuff to work on. Oh, this is not a Gundam, this is Mario Brothers. Mario Brothers the movie. Tanuki Mario. Again, another nice factory sealed item. And then we've got RMS 154 Barzam. Again, factory sealed. Gundam model. I don't know what it looks like that. Identical. No, it's not identical. MSK 008 DJ. And we've got, looks like another one. RMS 119, Blue Forces armor suit. Kind of stupid with Gundam today. Oh, we got more Gundam. RCK 7601, Concannon Mobility. Test type, firepower test type. Wow. And we have another Gundam. Oh, we got a whole bunch of stuff in here. MSN 06S Sinnanju. Neo Xeon mobile suit, customized for new type. Again, I'll double check, but I'm sure it's not been touched. And it has not. All right, very exciting stuff. We got a bunch of smaller boxes coming up. Let's see what those are. We've got an AEW Hikari Shida figure. It's factory sealed. I'm gonna tip the box over this way because I've got a whole bunch of stuff in here. All right, I've got Dragon Ball Adverge 14. I'm not exactly sure what this is. A toy of some type, but we'll have to do some research on that. And we've got a smaller 1/44th scale. Looks like another Gundam. I'm not sure that's a model. That could be a toy, a figure. So Xeon's mobile suit, so that factory sealed. And we got a couple more that look like that. Let me see what we got. This one has no, it's a 1/550th scale, Zion's prototype, MA normal type. I think that's also Gundam, but there's not a whole lot of English on that one. So I'll have to look at that one. Rig Shoku. This one is opened. It's a model kit. Again, never been touched. It's interesting, in Japan it appears that they don't factory shrink wrap items even if they end up on a store shelf. Not all the time. Sometimes they do, but they don't always. Oh, this is a complete misfit. Will Scarlet, Robin Hood and His Merry Men. This didn't fit in here. It was an old Mego style box. Let's see. I'm sure it's a re-release. 2005. Figures Toy Company. They certainly made it look like it's a Mego product. Looks like a whole bunch of smaller Gundam items here. I don't know what this is. There's absolutely no English on it at all, so that's a company called Chubu. So we'll see what that is. Gundam Converge, Devil Gundam. And then we got a whole bunch of G-frame Gundam armor suits. 1405. Eva suit. 02 G-frame. 15F. G-frame. This box has kind of seen its better days. Gundam GP02A. Like I said, we got all kinds of them in here. Eva Frame 02. That's in Japanese, but that is, I think that's Charizard, so that's Pokemon. Looks like we have a few Pokemon items in here. That's Pokemon. I think that's Umbreon, which is Pokemon. Vaporeon, that's definitely Pokemon. I think that's Zapdos. So this is very cool. A few Pokemon people out there. And now we're back to more Gundam. More small frames. More frames. More frames. This is a 2-pack. Gundam Converge. So armor suit frames. Almost to the end here, folks. Armor set, frame. Gundam must be extremely popular in Japan. I know when my youngest son, who's now 31, was a kid, he loved playing Gundam on our, I think it was a PS2 at the time. And so we got a couple more G-frames here. 2 more G-frames. All right, like I said, we're kind of stupid here with Gundam. Another Gundam Converge. Another G-frame armor. Almost to the end of these, folks. And this is Dragon Ball Adverge, another one of the Dragon Ball items. This one's different than the earlier one. Another G-frame, 09. I've had some of these before, and they seem to be very popular. Another G-frame. Another G-frame. 27F. And then we got a different oddball at the end here. Pop-up Parade. Good Smile Company. So it's a Rai Ayanami long hair version. So that's, I'm sure, anime. So again, all these items are going to be for sale on our website, which is www.familylegacyestatesale.com. And keep it tuned in for our videos, see what else we're stumbling across in these bins that we're opening. And we'll see you soon.